Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix mic not working on Discord. So the first thing what you have to do is go into the bottom left corner and ensure you haven't accidentally turned off your microphone. And if you have a toggle mic on your headset, ensure that you have toggle mute on. Then you want to select the settings cogwheel and on the left sidebar, scroll down until you see app settings and select voice and video. Now under the input device, don't leave this on default because sometimes it may choose the wrong mic and won't work. So select the microphone that you want to use and make sure the input volumes turned up. After you have done that, check your microphone right here to see if it's working, and if it is great. If it's not, let's continue. So under your input mode, I recommend you to leave it on voice activity, and if you are going to use push to talk, ensure you have the correct keybind set so it works. Now when you are talking into your microphone, if you aren't getting this solid green bar under input sensitivity, what you want to do is scroll down in this section until you get the advanced voice activity, and turning this off may help if your voice is not being detected by the automatic input sensitivity. So turn this off and scroll up the top and see if you can get this green bar. If you can, that means your mic's working. Now if that didn't work, what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom of this page, and here is where you will see the option to reset your voice settings. You could try that right away, but before doing that, what I recommend you do is select the sound icon in the bottom left corner by right clicking on it and open the volume mixer. Now similar to on Discord, under your input device on your computer, you want to make sure it's on correct one. So if you scroll up to the top of this page and test your microphone and still not working at this point, I'd swap out your mic to see if it's a hardware problem, or you could reset your settings at the bottom. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.